I would like to deconstruct the concept of creation. There is no creation in art. Instead, there is intertextuality. Creation is always a recreation or decreation of what was achieved earlier. And this is true in every kind of art. There is no new beginning. When something is a real work of art, it is given to the artist first. And the artist, the great artist, he knows when it is there or not. When John Fosse explained that it is in silence that we can reach or be reached by God, it makes perfect sense. There is a sentence of the Greek fathers: you have to honor the sacred things by silence. Does literature describe society, the world? I would say no. The same way that in real, genuine painting or music, you don't make visible something which is already visible. You try to add some visible, previously not yet visible. That is, a painter, a real painter, provides the spectator with something which was never seen before. And in music, same thing. That is, before Mozart, there was no Mozart. And before Schoenberg, there was no Schoenberg. So I guess that in literature, real literature, there is no description of the world as it is. The secret of literature is indeed poetry, where exactly with different means, the sound of the words, the syllables, with the metaphor, you discover another word, which in fact is more real than the real word. It's why we read poetry. So I would really say that more than philosophy, the art is a way to overcome nihilism, possibly.